Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the environment and launching the presser. Open the keyboard presser and give it the required input permissions. This lets it send keys reliably. Once done, make sure the target window is visible and has focus, because the presser sends keystrokes to the active app. Now create a new profile or session, name it something memorable, and pick the initial key you want the presser to emit. This gets you straight into automation without delay. You now configure the core action sequence and timing. Choose the exact key or key combo and then set the interval in milliseconds. For example, 1000 ms equals 1 second between presses. Once the interval is set, decide whether you want a fixed repeat count or a toggle so you can start and stop manually. Then chain additional keys or add short pauses for menu navigation. This prevents misfires. Finally, preview the sequence in a dry run so you verify timing and behavior before you finish by running and monitoring the presser and then resolving common errors. Begin with a short test run so you can watch the behavior and confirm the right keys land. Use the configured hotkey toggle to stop immediately if something goes wrong, and keep an on-screen indicator or log enabled so you can audit presses. If presses fail, make sure the target app has focus, lower the speed to reduce conflicts, and re-grant input permissions. That single troubleshooting step fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.